In this short guide, I will tell you that how you can easily change your Telegram app password. Make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all, you'll have to open up Telegram app on your phone, and then you'll have to tap on settings on the bottom right corner, and then you'll have to scroll down a bit, and then you'll have to tap on privacy and security. Now, the third option is two-step verification, and it contains your password. You'll have to tap on it, and then you'll have to enter your existing password. I will enter my password, and then hit next. Now it will provide you three different options. The first one is change password, and if you want to change it, so we'll tap on it, and it will ask you to enter a new password, and then if you'll hit next, it will be changed. I will show you. I will enter a new password, then hit next. It will ask you to re-enter the password, then hit next again, and it will ask you to enter a hint. So we'll enter it and then hit next again. Now you can see your password has been changed. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.